Halo semuanya, perkenalkan nama saya Yosafat Aningel Christian Panggabean. Pada hari ini saya akan presentasikan mengenai general vector spaces. Dosen pengampu saya yaitu Prof. Dr. Cokorda Gede Tirta Nindya STMT. Nah, langsung saja. Yang 3.4 dimension. What does the word dimension mean in everyday language? Dimension normally refers to the size of an object in a particular direction. For example, the height and diameter of a cylinder are dimensions of the cylinder. What does the term dimension of a vector space mean? The definition of dimension is the number of basis vector or axes needed to describe the given vector space V. The number of vector in a basis of a non-zero vector space V is the dimension of the space. We will show later in this section that the number of vector in a basis depends on two things, linear independence and spanning. We will prove that if we have too many vector in the basis set, they become linearly dependent, and if there are too few vector, then they will not span the whole vector space. The number of vector in the basis gives the dimension of vector space V. This is often denoted by dimensional. Itu ada dim R kuadrat sama dengan 2, dim R pangkat 3 sama dengan 3, dan dim R pangkat N sama dengan N. Example, what is the dimension of R quadrat and R3 if we write the dimension of Rn? Solution, from the previous chapter we know that E1 sama dengan 1, 0 transpose and E2 sama dengan 0, 1 transpose. Unit vector on the x and y axis respectively from a basis of for R quadrat. What is the dimension of R quadrat? Two vector A1, 2 are needed for the basis of R quadrat. Therefore, dimension of R quadrat is 2. What is the dimension of R pangkat 3? Similarly, we have the unit vector A1 sama dengan 1, 0, 0 transpose, E2, 0, 1, 0 pangkat transpose, and E3, 001 pangkat transpose. In the directions of x, y, and z axes respectively is the natural basis for R pangkat 3. Therefore, the dimension of R pangkat 3 is 3 because we have 3 vector in the basis of R pangkat 3. What is dimension of R pangkat n? From the last section, we have that the n vector E1, E2, E3, En form a natural basis for R pangkat n. So the dimension of R pangkat n is n. 3.4.2 Finite dimensional vector space. What does the term finite dimensional vector space mean? It is a vector space V which has a finite number of vector in its basis. In general, if a finite number of vector form a basis for a vector space V, then we say V is finite dimensional. Otherwise, the vector space V is known as infinite dimensional. If the vector space V consists only of the zero vector, then it is also finite dimensional. Can you think of any finite dimensional vector spaces? The Euclidean spaces R2, R pangkat 2, R pangkat 3, R pangkat 4, titik R pangkat N. Example 3.22. Let R quadrat be a vector space and S be the set of vector OA. In example 3.5, we saw that this subspace of R quadrat find a basis for the subspace S and determine dim S. Solution. Every vector is of the form OA, which we can express in term of A2 sama dengan 01S, OA sama dengan A, O1 sama dengan OAE2. The vector A2 from a basis for S therefore dims sama dengan 1. This is shown graphically in figure 3.15. Bisa dilihat. And figure 3.15 show that the subspace S is the vertically axis and A2 generates any vector in S along this line. Row and column vector. What are the row vector of a matrix? The row vector of a matrix are the entries in the vector and the rows of a given matrix. For example, the row vector of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 because the first row of matrix has the entry 1, 2, 3 and the second row has entry 4, 5, 6. Ini tuh poin 3.5 ya, yang artinya properties of a matrix. Ya, what are the column of vector of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? The matrix A has 3 columns vector. We generalize this by considering the M by N matrix. Bisa dilihat pada gambar. Kemudian example 3.29 determine a basis for the vector space S span U sama dengan 1, 2, 3, V sama dengan 4, 5, 6, dan W sama dengan 7, 8, 9. Solusinya A itu ada U, V, W, dan A itu ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The row space of a matrix is the subspace span. Kemudian span U, V, W sama dengan row space of A. Kemudian what do we find? Kita bisa lihat, kita cari reduce echelonnya row matrix R dengan A. Bisa dilihat A-nya itu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 menjadi 1, 0, min 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. The non-zero rows of the matrix are from a basis row of space. Jadi R1 sama dengan 1, 0, min 1, dan R2, 0, 1, 2. Dan terus basis access for the given vector S span UV is B, R1, R2, where R1 and R2 are vector state above. Note the S is a subspace of R3, but is actually a plane and can be spanned by 2 vectors R1 and R2 rather than the 3 given vector U, V, and W. Dan 3.6 linear system revisited. Null space, we consider the homogeneous system first, which is a linear system of equation written in matrix from S AX is O. By using elementary row operation, we solve the equivalent system Rx is O, where R is row equivalent to matrix A. Example, solve the homogeneous system linear equation. Bisa dilihat X tambah 2Y tambah 3Z sama dengan 0, 4X tambah 5Y tambah 6Z sama dengan 0, 7X tambah 8Y tambah 9Z sama dengan 0. Kita punya X sama dengan 0, bisa dilihat. We can write out augmented matrix and then convert into reduced now echelon form by using hand calculation or MATLAB with command. 0, 1, 2, 3, O, 4, 5, 6, O, 7, 8, 9, O. X, Y, Z-nya 1, 0, 1, O, 0, 1, 2. From the middle row of the matrix on the right hand, we have Y plus 2Z sama dengan 0, which give Y sama dengan min 2Z. None of the rows start with Z, so Z is a free variable. And let Z sama dengan S, where is S is any real number than Y sama dengan min 2S. From the top of row, we have X min Z sama dengan 0, which is give X sama dengan Z sama dengan S. Jadi solusinya bisa dilihat. Nah, bisa dilihat pada contoh gambarnya ya. And the solution X sama dengan S is a scalar multiplication of vector U. So this vector U is a basis vector on the X is shown the solution space. And bisa dilihat subspace R pangkat 3-nya itu. Dan properties of rank and nullity. In the above example 3.33 itu, nullity A plus rank A sama dengan 1 tambah 2 sama dengan 3. Nullity B plus rank B 2 tambah 2 sama dengan 4. And nullity plus rank sama dengan number of unknowns. Bisa dilihat ya pada contohnya. Note that N is the number of column of matrix, which is the total number of unknowns in the homogeneous system AX is O, This result normally has the grand total of the dimensional theorem of matrices. Nah, example 3.36 bisa dilihat determine the neutrality and rank of the matrix. Bisa dilihat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sampai 35. Kemudian kita pakai MATLAB untuk meredus eselonnya. Jadi bisa dilihat 1, 0, min 1, min 2, min 3, min 4, min 5 jadi 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Itu bisa dilihat non-zero row ya. What is rank A equal to? Since R2 non-zero row in matrix R, therefore rank A sama dengan 2. Note that matrix has 5 row, but there are only 2 linearly independent row. What is neutrality equal to? Neutrality equal to is the dimension of the null space and can be evaluated by theorem 3.34. Neutrality A plus rank A is n. Substituting rank A is 2 and n is 7. The number of columns of a matrix A. We have neutrality A plus 2 is 7. Give neutrality A is 5. This means that set of vector x which satisfy Ax sama dengan 0 is of dimension 5. We need 5 x's or 5 basic vector to describe a vector x in the null space of matrix A. Sekian dari saya. Terima kasih.